Welcome to my Hacienda dollhouse. Let's take a closer look. This really came out really pretty. I wanted to build a Hacienda dollhouse, Mexican flair. I tried to make it colorful. I tried to keep it simple, just put in pieces that really should be there. I really searched for pieces for this house to keep them reasonably priced and to give it the look that I was looking for. Some metals, lots of wood. I was having lunch with my friends in Old Town, San Diego, and there was a shop that had all this pottery. They were all in little bowls. And that was kind of what started the vision. My friend Teresa said, "Why don't you build a Mexican house?" And that was it. The search was on to find the stuff to build this home. This house, dollhouse, is built from scratch. It's built from plywood. Everything has been built. The walls are textured with spackle, so they have a rough look. I made the cushions and the little pillows and used some pretty colors. The 3 little plates, I painted flowers on them to add more color. Made the cushions for the chairs. It's just really good. This is really pretty. The windows, they're nice and long and no curtains. It didn't need curtains. I think that would have taken away from it. It just needed the windows to be there. I put beams up. I thought it needed beams. And that light is just a really pretty light, and it is LED and it does light up. The pottery is all from Old Town. It's all little Mexican pottery. And the artwork that is in this is Frida Kahlo, and that's her. That's her self-portrait that she did. I couldn't think of better artwork that should be put in this home than Frida Kahlo. She's such an interesting person. All the pieces just fit together so well. The floor I made out of like a box that held trash bags. Made it look like terracotta. And this is Pepe. He's the protector of the Hacienda. A lot of time went into this. This took a long time to build. But the results are fantastic. I really love dollhouse miniatures.